Hello students, how are you? Today I will explain chapter 10 teen ratios, some important questions for the board examinations. So then, first of all, the question number 20 here has given 3 tan a is equal to 4, then prove that under root sec a minus cosec a upon sec a plus cosec a is equal to 1 upon under root 7. Clear? It's important due to view of the board examination. So first of all, you will make the right angle triangle. Clear? That is the A, B, C, and their angle A. Angle A, tan A has given. In such case, let be angle A, B, and that C. Clear? So then 3 tan A is equal to 4. 3 tan A is equal to 4. Therefore, tan A is equal to 4 upon 3. Clear, students? So now that is the base, that is the perpendicular, that is the hypotenuse. So tan A is equal to 4 upon 3 is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 4, base is 3. Then hypotenuse you have to find. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, you can find AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. Clear? So that 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square 16, 3 square 9 is equal to 25. Therefore, AB is equal to under root 25 is equal to 5. So the hypotenuse AB will be 5. Clear, students? Now you will put the value of these are all sides in that LHS, then you will find the RHS. Clear? So first of all, write the LHS. Left hand side under root sec A minus cosec A upon sec A plus cosec A. Clear? So after that, you have to find this. Clear? So you put the value so then sec A, from there sec A is equal to, that is the A, that angle has given A. Understood? So sec is just opposite of cos. So you know that cos is equal to base upon hypo. So sec is equal to hypo upon base. Clear? So under root you write 5 upon 3 minus cosec is just opposite of sine. So there also 5 upon 4. 5 upon 4 upon same 5 upon 3 plus 5 upon 4. Further you solve this. Again you will take the LCM of 3, 4, that is 12. 3 will go in 12, 4 times 4 5 are 20, minus 4 will go in 12 3 times, 3 5 are 15, upon, now same way you will take the LCM downward, 3 4 LCM 12, then it will go 4 4 5 are 20, plus 15. In this way, that 12 and that 12 you can reduce. Finally, you can write 20 minus 15, 5, and 20 plus 15 is equal to 35. Clear, students? Now 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35. Finally, you get under root 1 upon 7. Clear? 1 square may be, and then you can write 1 का square हम कर सकते हैं, okay? Because my target is to find 1 upon under root 7. So after squaring it, 1 will always everywhere that will be free from the root. 1 always free from the square root, free from the cube root, understood? Then finally we will get RHS. Okay? And it's proved. Clear, students? Any doubt? It is important question due to board examination. Now the next question is important, that is question number 21 also. Now students, question number 21 is also important because in this pandemic duration, the board examinations whenever will be, then there will be no, there will be given not so much hard question, that will be in medium type of the question will be given, because online classes is conducted everywhere. So according to that view, 21, 20 are the important question. Okay, you see what the question number 21 given. Same way also they are given if cot theta is equal to 15 upon 8, then evaluate one plus sin theta one plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Dear students, that value you have to find it. So first of all, we write here first of all you find the other part of that triangle. First of all, make the right angle triangle and theta will be there. Put its name from anywhere, A, B, C, okay. Then cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. The base has given 15 and perpendicular given 8. Clear? Then what will be the hypotenuse? Therefore AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. So BC value given 8, 8 square plus 15 square. 8 square 64 plus 15 square 225. Now you both add 4, 5, 9, 6 to 8 and that 2. Clear students? Therefore AB is equal to under root 289 is equal to 17 का whole square is equal to 17, that will be. Clear students? Then its value will be, hypotenuse will be 17. Now you write that question 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So students, you know the identities. You have studied the identity A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Clear students? That identity you well known. ये अच्छी तरह जानते हो. According to that identity, you will also write that is the A plus B into A minus B. So there will be 1 chi square minus B chi square. B is given sin theta का whole square upon same way 1 chi A plus B into A minus B. That identity you follow in this also, both. Then there will be 1 chi square minus cos theta का whole square. Clear? Finally you will get 1 chi square 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta. So student, earlier I have explained the identity, okay, in the previous lecture. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta upon and 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. तो sin square theta upon cos square theta upon sin square theta is equal to tan square theta. Dear students, tan square theta, and the value of tan square theta is equal to perpendicular upon base 8 upon 15 का whole square, यानी 8 8 64 and 15 225. Clear student? That will be the answer. Any doubt students? Okay, further important question has given. That is the question number 27 and 28. It's also important according to board examination. Now important question has given 27. In 27 given, if cot A is equal to 1 upon cot A cot A plus 1 upon cot A is equal to 2 given. Cot A plus 1 upon cot A is equal to 2. Then find the value of cot square A, cot square A plus 1 upon cot square A. Yes friends, that value you have to find. So first of all, here the given, you write the question cot A plus 1 upon cot A is equal to 2. Clear? Squaring both sides. On squaring both sides, so then it will be cot A 1 plus cot A the whole square is equal to right hand side 2 का whole square. Clear? So now square of the first number. Now here you will use the identity. Here you will use the identity A plus B का whole square is equal to square of the first number means A square plus square of the second number and B square plus 2AB. That identity you will use. Clear? Here. So that will be cot square A plus 1 upon cot square A plus 2 into first number cot A, first number cot A into second number 1 upon cot A. यानी A की वैल्यू cot A और B की वैल्यू 1 upon cot A. Clear students? Is equal to 2 का square 4. Any doubt? Now cot A and that cot A cancel. Finally you will get cot square A plus 1 upon cot square A plus 2 1 जा 2 is equal to 4. Therefore cot square A plus 1 upon cot square A is equal to 4, and you will transpose plus 2 to the right side. When you will transpose plus 2 to right side, then it will be minus 2. Plus 2 इधर जाके minus 2 हो जाएगा is equal to 2. So that answer will be 2. Clear students? That answer you will get 2. Any doubt? Now other important question there has given question number 28. Question number 28. It also important according to view of the board exam. If under root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sin theta. 3 sin theta. Then find the value of sin theta. Then find the value of sin theta. Clear? sin theta की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. That's clear, friends? So then, first of all, under root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sin theta. First you write this. Now you know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So then in next step, under root 3 into tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 3 sin theta. Yes, friends. Now, therefore, under root 3, you will do the replacement with the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication when you will do, so then you will find under root 3 into, directly also you can reduce there. यहाँ पे direct भी आप काट सकते हैं. sin theta is equal to here sin theta given. Okay, but I am not reducing it directly. First of all, I want to write with the help of the cross multiplication rule. So then 3 sin theta into cos theta. Clear? Now you reduce. Sin theta reduce. Finally you get under root 3. According to cross multiplication rule, that will comes there is equal to cos theta. Yes, students. And then you know that under root 3 is the value of 2 times. You can write it 2 times. Under root 3 upon under root 3 into under root 3. Clear? That reduce, finally you get 1 is equal to cos theta. So 1 upon under root 3 is the value of cos theta. Clear? So now you know. Now we have to find sin theta with the help of this. So you know the identity. Sin theta is equal to under root 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, in previous lecture I have given this. I have explained that. That is identity also. Clear? So then 1 upon under root 1 minus cos square theta, यानी 1 upon under root 3 का whole square. Then it will be 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3. Yes, friends, when you solve, and then you will get 3 1 ja 3, 3 minus 1 and 2 upon 3. Yes, students, any doubt? That will be the answer. Yes, students, now tomorrow I will explain the chapter 11 of the R.S. Agrawal. Okay, these are all only important questions of this chapter 10. Okay.